Hi everybody, this is Dr. Manesh from Manesh Acupuncture in Newport Beach. Today I had a busy day and now I have a short break. I am thinking I'm coming out to the nature. It's very beneficial. You come out and be grounded, mindfulness. Don't expect to spend lots of time if you don't have time to go out and go to the hiking or exercise. If you don't have time, just please every day you can go just for 10-15 minutes to anywhere you feel more comfortable, and just be mindfulness and enjoy the nature and be grounded to the nature. Enjoy it.